Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Revolution. As always, this isn't financial advice, so make sure you do your own research. If you'd like to check out Kalshi Perps, you can trade $50 using my affiliate link below to receive a bonus, subject to eligibility. Today, let's explain what a perpetual future actually is. Perpetual future is simply a type of trade that doesn't have an expiry date. Unlike traditional futures contracts, you're not forced to close your position on a specific day. Instead, you decide when to enter and when to exit. Kalshi Perps also lets you choose a multiplier. Multipliers increase your market exposure, meaning they amplify both potential returns and potential losses, so they should always be used carefully. Whether you're taking a long position or a short position, understanding how multipliers affect your trade is an important part of managing risks. So that's the basic idea behind perpetual futures: flexible trading with no fixed expiry, while always keeping risk management in mind.